Okay, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to use Zoom. Under this tab, you have where you can create a new meeting, where you can join a meeting, where you can schedule a meeting, and you can share your screen. To schedule the meeting, you would go right here, and then you would click when you want it to start and how long you want it to start. And then this is your passcode, and then this is if you want your video to be on or off. Then under this tab is where you can see where anybody mentioned you, anything, your missed calls, your contact requests, and anything like that. This is another place where you can set up a meeting. This is your personal meeting ID where it'll ask you for it if anybody tries to join. And this is your contacts, and this is any connected apps. So in order to call a friend, you would go over here to chat. You would click this, and then you would enter their email address. Okay. And then you would just send a message, like I'll just say hi. Alrighty. And then when he accepts my request, we'll chat together. And then if I want to call him, I'll press this right here, and I'll click yes. And then it will connect the video. Thank you.